guys turn into assholes or dicks, or they don't give a fuck and this and that, and they don't give you attention because of you, bitch. Listen to what I have to say. First and foremost, the most annoying thing on this planet is a nagging, controlling bitch. Control your fucking naggingness. Don't control him. Control yourself. Stop fucking nagging. Stop bitching. Stop telling him what he's doing wrong. Why don't you tell him what he's doing right for once? Like, fucking appreciate him. And fucking, you guys don't realize that in order to get attention, cook for him, suck his dick. There's never a wrong time to suck a cock. Trust me. Like, the only thing you're getting from fighting is negative attention. Why do you want to fight? Why do you want a headache? Okay? And another thing that bitches forget to do once they get a boyfriend is to still do you. That's really, really important, because he met you while you were doing you and he liked it because you weren't up in his shit bitching at him. You were worried about yourself. Why don't you do that for once? Like, just fucking do you. Let him do whatever the fuck he wants. Fucking stop bitching. Let him go out with his friends. Let him go clubbing. You don't have to be there all the fucking time because he's your boyfriend. No, absolutely not. Let him go to the strip club. Let him fucking flirt with bitches. Let him do it. He's still gonna come back home to you, and if he's fucking around with the bitch you just flirted with, then you're doing something wrong.